Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Philips Hue scenes using Hue Bridge and Alexa step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that your Philips Hue Bridge is set up correctly. Connect the Hue Bridge to your Wi-Fi network and power it on. Download the Philips Hue app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the Philips Hue app and create an account if you haven't already. Log into your account and let the app discover your Hue Bridge. Once discovered, follow the prompts to connect your lights to the app. After setup, choose the Scenes tab in the app. Create a new scene by selecting your desired lights and adjusting their brightness and color. Name your scene for easy identification. Save the scene to store your preferences in the app. Now, ensure that your Alexa device is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Hue Bridge. Open the Alexa app on your mobile device. Tap on the Devices tab at the bottom of the screen. Select the plus icon to add a new device. Choose Light and then select Philips Hue from the list of brands. Follow the prompts to link your Philips Hue account with Alexa. Once linked, Alexa will automatically discover your Hue lights and scenes. To enable a scene using Alexa, say, "Alexa, turn on scene name." Make sure to use the exact name you assigned to the scene in the Hue app. Alexa will activate the specified scene according to your settings. You can now control your Philips Hue scenes using voice commands at any time. Experiment with different scenes and enjoy the convenience of smart lighting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.